I'll be covering the song Payphone by Maroon 5. Shoutouts will be at the end of the video because it's kind of long, so keep on watching. Thank you. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. What are the plans we made for two? Yeah. No, it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. No, it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And all the time that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned on the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. Now even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. What are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, why was to be holding you like this? All those fairy tales are full of shit. All my stupid love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Okay, shout out time. First one goes to, it's Jackie Wu, Nostalgic Thinker, CJ Baby, Takushima, Louis Angelo S, A. Owen, Tiffany Tramdo, Who's Romeo wanted a long shout out. You're really cool. Yeah, that's it. Anthony Lee Tran, Jones, Kevin Rell, hi, Bibosa, aka Byron, Base God Chris, Supreme King Sam, Miss Faggot, Dammit Kyle wanted a dedication, so this is dedicated to you. Drunky Kid, Lock Day John 415, Jingle the Hot Sex Master, Just Way, Cecile Love, Oh Dang It's May, Jade, B-Boy Monche, Lokulele, Nataline, Solistic, Ayo Antoine, T-Poo, T Kid Not Kate, and the last one would be Oation. Hope you enjoy, so